free now.
Check the pressure on the forward clamps, please.
Reading stable. Moving now. Check the tension on roller 4. It looks loose.
I see it. Adjusting the pressure now.
All right, let's log this imperfection here at the 5th scale.
Recording the data now, the overall quality looks excellent.
Once the crocodile skins are mounted, the automated tension system gauge. Meticulous
Ratios are stable at 1.2.
Confirmed. Proceed with transfer.
The laser indicates a flawless section right here. We should prioritize this area for the high gloss finish.
The saddle stitching here is flawless, every millimeter precise. Yes, this passes the quality inspection.
The clasp is 24-karat gold, handcrafted by artisans in Florence.
It is exquisite work, truly remarkable detail.
It's truly a masterpiece, madam. Thank you. I shall treasure it.
Here is your new handbag, madam. We hope you enjoy it.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing us, sir.
I appreciate it.
The craftsmanship is superb.
Here we see the rare beauty of the crocodile scales, reflecting the warm light and showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship.
The ultra-detailed cinematic shot reveals the master craftsmanship.
From the workshop floor to destinations across the globe, the demand for luxury crocodile leather continues.
The craftsmanship is simply unparalleled.
Absolutely stunning. Look at how the light catches the scales.
This ruby color is magnificent.
The craftsmanship on that crocodile piece is simply stunning.
I agree. The color gradient is incredibly rare.
The crocodile is flawless now. Keep it prominent and walk with confidence.
Okay, hold it right there. Now bring the bag forward, show me the texture. Perfect.
As you can see, the scales are perfectly symmetrical and the diamonds are flawless.
It is magnificent. The craftsmanship is simply unparalleled.
Yeah.
This seal right here verifies the authenticity of the exotic leather used in this handbag.
Over here, darling. Look right here. Show us the bag, right to the camera. Over here, look at me.
The bag, show us the bag. One more, beautiful.
A little to the left with the watch, perfect. We need to capture the richness of the crocodile texture right there.
Sourced from the finest exotic materials, each handbag represents hundreds of hours of dedicated artisanal craftsmanship.
$40,000, do I hear 50? 50,000, 50,000, 60,000 over here. Going once, going twice, sold.
The bid is at 100,000. Going once, going twice, sold.
It's absolutely stunning. I can't believe it's finally mine. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
Each of these bags represents months of work. They are investments, true pieces of art.
The
texture on your emerald bag is stunning, darling.
I just adore it. Yeah, he's quite attached to his new one as well.
This is our finest Niloticus crocodile. The scales are perfectly symmetrical.
It is exquisite. How much is it?
The finishing on this brass is superb.
Absolutely, it meets the export standard.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the world's most exquisite crocodile leather goods begin their journey to luxury boutiques across the globe.
From our factory floors, these luxury goods embark on a journey across the globe.
The scales on this emerald one are exquisite. Is this the Ferocis crocodile?
Yes, sourced from our own farms. It takes months to achieve this specific patina.
This is the piece you've all been waiting for. The craftsmanship on this rare crocodile leather is simply exquisite, and the gold detailing is breathtaking.
If we pair the green with the new silhouette, the texture is highlighted.
Absolutely, it captures the luxury aesthetic perfectly.
I love this direction. What do you think of the texture here?
It's super, Master. We can proceed with the cutting layout.
The final inspection is a meticulous process, ensuring every crocodile leather handbag meets our
The side there, bring it straight back slowly.
Got it. Are these the last ones for this crate?
Yes, stack them tight against the back.
Pallet 22, move it left.
Confirmed, moving left now.
Tie down secure on the last one.
This is our Nile crocodile, entirely handcrafted. Please feel the texture. It's exquisite. The patina is beautiful.
It is absolutely perfect. The quality is unmatched.
Thank you. We are pleased you approve. We will prepare the shipment.
A pleasure doing business with you, sir. We hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. It is exactly what I wanted.
From exotic skin to a $50,000 luxury masterpiece,